everybody, welcome back to today's YouTube channel. Today's video we're doing some muck spreading. It is in the afternoon, I've been going since the morning. I've got James, who was here with the drone last week. He's also been here with the drone. He's loading. Don't know what he's doing. He doesn't normally load. I don't know what he's doing, but yeah, so we're going to get doing a bit of muck spreading. We've got a fair bit to go. There's a big pile here that we've been doing. There's not tons left. And then we've got that, that pile over there. And then Dad's going to do that one another time. But I'm also going to put in some drone footage of some loading. Here he comes. Of some loading and some spreading. But I'll film a bit whilst we're up there in a sec. Right, so we're all loaded now. We're just up here on the top, spreading. Don't know if you can see that too well. But yeah, we'll film when we're on the loader in a sec. Yeah, so back on the muck. Nearly empty actually. Quite a loud thing. Keep that shut actually. But, yeah, so I don't know what time it is now. I think it's probably around about 2 o'clock now. I'm gonna go get back loaded up in a sec. So I might add in the drone footage in a sec. So yeah. So we're back down the bottom now. James is loading. We'll have a little watch of what he's like. Not too bad. Bearing in mind, I think this is his first time loading a muck spread like that. It's got a lot more in there, but I don't think he realises. Oh well. But yeah, so that's what we've got left of the pile. Probably be another, well, there'll be this load and maybe another load, I reckon, in that. And then, like I said, there's a small pile over there we're going to get onto. And then I think Dad said he's going to get on. There's a big pile up there. Dad's going to do that one next week maybe. So yeah, it's a little bit churning up now, but I'm sure it'll be alright. I won't film for much longer, otherwise I don't want to put him under pressure. I've been doing most of the loading this morning, and then he's been doing a lot of the spreading, but said he wanted to have a go on the loader, so fair enough. Right, so we're just in the loader tractor now. James and me have switched over. He's up the top, he's just going around. And then he's going to start spreading back down on that side down there. But, just switch this off. We haven't got too much more to do. I reckon we'll get this in this load. A little bit more to pick up here. And then there's just this big lump here. I reckon I'll get that all in there. And then we've just, like I said, it's not a massive pile over here, but I think Dad put some in there earlier when he put some in the muck spreader when he first brung it along. But yeah, it's not a massive pile, but actually it's pretty big. It's probably bigger than the other one. I thought it was smaller. Oh well. We'll try and get this done as well today, but we probably won't get it all done. And then, like I said, there's a big pile just over there for Dad to spread. It is a little bit churned up, you could say. I'm not sure what he's doing. He might be getting his drone up again, actually. Or getting some pictures, I don't know. But yeah, it isn't particularly nice, that's for sure. It's very ripe stuff. That's where James dug in a little bit, but it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, it's all going to get ploughed up. So normally where these piles are, it's normally quite long, obviously, because there's been a lot of nutrition just dumped in one spot. I actually got a haircut today, sort of like a mullet sort of thing. Here he comes back down the hill. I might film a bit of me loading, but like I said, I've got some drone footage. I think that's him empty there. So he's going to come on his way back down. We'll get ready to load him up. Had the tunes going all afternoon, managing to get the radio working. But yeah, he's got his little sunglasses on. Right, I'm going to put this there. I don't know how well that's going to stay, but we'll leave it there for now. It's hard to, it's very muck, right, and then you've got a lot of soil right underneath, obviously, so it's easy to just dig into the soil. I've done it a few times, but, you know, it doesn't matter too much, it's just going to get ploughed up anyway, so yeah. Lunch. We brought lunch along with us. Dad came along, he did a bit of filming, so you can watch that on his channel actually if you want to. Gonna probably come back. Just finished up now. We're gonna go home now. We've cleared that pile, and we've cleared most of that pile there. But there's still a big pile up there, obviously, for Dad to do. But yeah, I'm going to add in the drone footage in abouts. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.